Chapter Body Fluids and Circulation. 1. In a standard ECG, which one of the following alphabets is the correct representation of the respiratory activity of the human heart? S. Start of systole. T. End of diastole. P. Depolarization of atria. R. Repolarization of ventricles. Answer option C. P. Depolarization of atria. 2. Compared to blood, our lymph has option A. Plasma without proteins. B. More WBC and no RBC. C. More RBC and less WBC. D. No plasma. Answer option B. More WBC and no RBC. Which one of the following plasma proteins is involved in the coagulation of blood? Option A. Albumin. B. Serum amylase. C. Globulin. D. Fibrinogen. Answer option D. Fibrinogen. 4. Bundle of hairs is a part of which one of the following organs in humans? A. Brain. B. Heart. C. Kidney. D. Pancreas. Answer option B. Heart. The diagram given here is the standard ECG of a normal person. The P wave represents the option A. Beginning of the systole. B. End of the systole. C. Contraction of both the atria. D. Initiation of the ventricular contraction. Answer option C. Contraction of both the atria.